one. All right, I'm going to show you how to make this angled cutout inside whatever holder you're making, and then you can go from there. So the first thing we have to do is that we were given these parts, right? And then I made a technical drawing. So let's open up my technical drawing and let's look at the numbers. So the bottom radius, or I'm sorry, diameter is 2.63, right? Now I want to go a little bigger than that so that it'll fit in. So let's go, I'm going to go up to like, let's go 2.75. And then on this other one, which would be this line right here, this top ring, which was originally 3.65, I'm just going to make 3.75, just to also keep it more even. And then as far as the height, we're only looking for the height of the cup. So the height of the cup was 1.87, and I'm not going to increase that at all. For now, I'm going to keep it as it is. So let's start a new one. I'm going to go in here, and just so that we have a basic thing, you're going to do it in whatever size you're working on your container. But I'm going to just do dimensions of 4 inches by 4 inches. So that gives me the opportunity to, I know the circle will fit in it. Then I'll go up. Oops. Okay. And I want to go past that 1.7, 1.87. So I'm going to go with 3 inches on this just to make it a little crazy, give you something to think about. And then I'm going to put a plane in here. So we're going to work on this top plane, but I need one down where the other one's going to go. So I'm going to go to offset plane, and I'm going to click that top surface. And now I can go down. And I'm going down the 1.87, the distance from the top circle to the bottom circle. I'm going to hit OK. Now I'm going to draw on these. So on the top one, I'm going to select that top one, sketch on there. And I'm going to draw the smaller circle. No, I take that back. I'm going to draw the bigger circle. Now remember, I added that little bit of extra. So instead of it being the 3.65, I'm going to make it 3.75. That gives me a little tolerance. Looks good. Finished. And now I'm going to draw another one, and I need to be on that plane. So to get to the plane, I'm going to go over to the left, open up my construction, and click on that plane here. So now it's selected. And then I'm going to go here, and I'm going to draw a circle. And that circle is going to be 2.75. So again, I had 2.63, and now I'm making it 2.75. Finish sketch. Let's see if it worked. Sometimes it ends up in the wrong place. No, okay, so it's in the right place. We have those two pieces. Now I want to do a loft, and what I've found is this doesn't work. I'm going to show you what I'm talking about. I click on loft, and now I can't select that circle inside the piece. I can select the one out here, but I can't get into that one. So I'm going to cancel, and I found a way around it. I'm going to go to inspect. We've done this before, right? Section analysis. Click on the side. I'm going to cut that halfway. Hit OK. Now I can see what's going on. So now I'm going to go back to my loft. I'm going to go, instead of it being new body, I'm going to make it cut. And now I can select that top circle and that bottom circle. Maybe. There we go. Hit OK. So see how it's cutting it out? So now to get rid of the analysis, I'm going to go back to the left here, do my drop down on my analysis, right click on it, and just leave it. All right? So there you go. That is how you would cut out something that now this guy could fit into. So to check it out, let's do this. Let's start a new one. Oh, wait, I should save that one. Save as, we'll say holder. Now let's go to this one and say assembly. Okay. Now I can take that holder I just created, bring that in, hit OK. And now I can take in that piece that we have, hit OK. And now you can just kind of check it out and see if it fits, see how it looks. So if I go here to inspect, let's do section analysis again. Click on this and kind of bring it halfway. Cool, right? Now we can kind of move things around. Oh, that makes my head hurt. Um, why did it separate that one piece? I don't know why it's being like that. All right, so I'll go back to my section analysis because that's terrible. Right click, delete. It separated the two pieces, which is really funny. But that gives me the opportunity now to look at this. How do I see? I'm going to go like this. Assemble joint. Let's throw just a regular old fixed joint on this. Oops, I forgot you can't do that. Sorry. My mistake, guys. Okay, there we go. So if I go to assemble joint, we'll rotate it and smack dab in the middle there. And then smack dab in the middle here. Hit OK. I don't know why the top keeps not going through, but you can see that little bit of edge now, how it's going to fit. Obviously, you're going to need a finger hole so that you're not getting your fingers all mushy or that you don't have to flip it upside down. But it does give you an opportunity to kind of sort things out. The other thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go back. I'll hit save on this. Sounds good. I'm going to go back into the holder. I'm going to try this kind of crazy thing on the back. Go ahead and do shell. Click on the bottom. Give it just a very thin shell. Hit OK. And see, now you can see, like, if you were to do it in plastic or something like that, you have that. So let's get into that. We can do that with a color, right? So we'll go to appearance. Go to, I'm going to go with glass versus plastic, you know, something that's going to be a little more clear, but would give me it so I can see what's going on. Well, let's see if we do the light. Can we see? Oh, that's not what I want. Go back to that one. You can see where this edge is actually cutting into that edge. So it just kind of gives you an idea of what's going on. So then if I hit save on this, hit OK. Now we go back to our assembly. And we hit the exclamation point. You can actually see everything in the way it would be. All right, so I hope that helps you guys with trying to figure out how to get this angled piece in. And again, you're going to need finger holes or something in order for it to be able to get out. So keep that in mind. You don't want just a snug fit. Good luck.